Welcome back to another episode of Calculus. Today we evaluating function at specific values. So we're gonna see if those first of all we're gonna evaluate the functions at the value that they give us here, if they exist, and then and that's about it. That's about it. So we have about six different values we're gonna evaluate the function at, and we have the function f of x is equal to 2 over x. So let's start. So the first one is f of 0. F of 0 is equal to what? So now notice the difference between f of x is and f of 0 is in place of x, we have a 0. So this is the same thing we're going to do in the function. We're going to go in place of x that was right here. We're going to put a 0, 2 over 0. What is 2 over 0? And that's not 0, that's undefined. 2 over 0 is undefined. So undefined. So, and that's it for this one. Now, what is f of 1? Let's change the color for a little bit. Let's go in black. What's f of 1? F of 1 is equal to 2 over 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. Let's scroll up for a little bit. We're going to do f of 3. Let's change the color. Let's do orange. F of 3. F of 3 would be what? 2 divided by 3. 2 divided by 3 is 2/3. Yes, 2/3. And that's how you would live this one. F of 3 is 2 divided by 3 is 2/3. Remember, f of x is 2 over x. That's what we got to remember. F of x is 2 over x. In place of x, I have 3. So I replace the x by a 3. Now let's go back again to f of, what else they give us? F of negative x, and then we're going to do f of a. So let's do a different color, maybe green. F of negative x is 2 over, in place of x, I'm going to have a negative x, which is equal to negative 2 over x. That's f of negative x. Now, f of a, let's go in red this time. F of a is 2 over, in place of x, I'm going to have a 2 over a. And that's it. That's all for this one. You can't really simplify that. F of a plus h. Let's go in blue. F of a plus h, which will give you 2 over a plus h. In place of x, you replace that by a plus h. This is not a b, this is a h. A plus h. And that's it. That's all you would do for this one. And we found all of them. And the first one is undefined. As you see here, was 2 over 0 and undefined. And the other one, we found them. Yeah, that's it.